Hey guys, it's me, Annie. I'm back here to give you an awesome tip on how to get more reservations and earn more cash. We all like that. Whether you rent out a single room in your apartment, run a bed and breakfast, or manage a boutique hotel, your goal is the same: more reservations. As most hotel owners know, booking sites charge up to 30% commission for every reservation made on their platform. With Wix, you can increase your own profits by making it quick and easy to book direct from your own website. I'm going to walk you through several manageable steps to get you going. First, choose a template. Browse through dozens of Wix templates designed specifically for hotels, inns, vacation rentals, and resorts. Use them to get ideas for features you can include on your own site. Of course, you don't have to stick with one of these templates. Pick one that works best for your business, add the Wix Hotel app, and start customizing. Next, add great images. You want pictures that not only show off your property, but also bring out its uniqueness. Take photos when you have lots of natural light and pay close attention to small details in your frame. A great picture goes a long way towards getting you more reservations. Whether you're a glamping site on the big island of Hawaii or a B&B in rural Vermont, show potential guests what sets your business apart. Then, set up your reservation system. Your guests can book rooms directly from your own website in their preferred language, making it simple for you to keep track of availability. The channel manager will ensure that reservations from all other booking channels are also automatically synced to your Wix reservation calendar. Set weekend and seasonal rates, add additional charges for extras like Wi-Fi or cleaning fee, and choose your preferred payment option. With Wix Hotels, you can take partial or complete deposits when a guest books their room, or you can offer an offline option so guests can pay when they arrive. You can also set manual reservations for spontaneous guests who either show up in person or call to check availability. Now that you've finished building your website, let's talk about some cool features you can add to showcase your business and make booking even easier. One of the great benefits of having clients book directly from your website is you can use it to promote additional services. During the booking process, let guests know that you offer more than just rooms or breakfast. Highlight and promote activities, such as guided tours in your area, bike rentals, or an on-site massage therapist. Did you know that Wix has teamed up with TripAdvisor to help make it easy for customers to find your business? Using Trip Connect, you can integrate your website with TripAdvisor so that your business will appear in its search results. You can even run an ad campaign targeted for users traveling to your area, making it more likely that they will find you. Wix offers dozens of apps that can boost your site's functionality and create a better browsing experience. For example, try the Get Subscribers widget, one of my favorites, which allows you to gather email addresses of potential customers so you can send out promotional messages. You may also want to add a live chat app so potential customers can get answers to their questions right as they're booking. Finally, set up smart actions to send automated emails to guests when they make a reservation. Include helpful information, such as a map, arrival instructions, a link to your social networks, and all of your contact details just in case. For more helpful information about Wix Hotels, check out this link. And be sure to share your hotel's websites in the comments section below. You know I'm going on a trip soon and I need a great place to stay. Thanks for watching.